MTDCNC, bringing you the latest engineering news via video media.
Taku, Big Kaiser, very well known for your spindle tooling, but maybe not so well for your indexable insert program. Can you talk me through it, please?
Okay, as a Big Kaiser, we have various cutting tool programs. For example, Fullcut Mill is one of our most famous cutting tools programs. This is our Fullcut Mills, and you can see this monoblock type and the high rake insert cutting tools we have. We have various of this type of tools with various of interface with HSK, with Big Plus BT, and also DIN standard and big cap tools, as well as cylindrical tool type. This is also cylindrical types. So we have various of cutting tools.
What's the benefit to it being integral?
This is very unique. By having integral bodies, we can be shorter. We can shorter the length, and then we can put more powerful. For example, many of our competitors having two pieces of types. This can be actually longer projection length and weaker than the monoblock type.
How does this affect surface finish and feed rates?
This is actually much faster. We can go faster. We can go cut more. So the productivity with these tools is much more than conventional tools.
How much?
Oh, it depends on conditions, but for example, like aluminum cutting tools, we can be actually twice, double than competitors.
And because it's an indexable program, it's obviously more cost effective than solid carbide too.
Exactly. Because all tools, all cutting tool insert here can be used for both cutting edge. So the performance-wise, actually, we can make it double.
Why would an engineer still use a modular system?
Because of the big advantage of these modular type systems. So simply, the operator can replace the head part, and we have various of head part available. So the ones having like this modular body type, they can replace head type whatever they want, depends on their specific application. This is actually a good advantage for modular type systems.
And we've talked about aluminium. What other materials can we cut using your inserts?
The maximum cutting materials must be HRC 38. So less than 38 doesn't matter which kind of materials it is. Stainless steel, aluminum, of course, even titanium. We have various grades of insert available.
Do you only offer an 11mm insert?
Yes, for smaller size, maximum AP is 9mm, but for bigger size diameter 32, you can go AP 11mm.
Taku, what is this test here?
This is actually unique cutting tool programs. We tested with BT30 tools with carbon steel. This is C50, BT30 tools. We cut AP9, AD20. So this is very powerful tools, but for BT30. This is actually a unique point of Fullcut mills.
And is that because of the face and taper?
Exactly, this is one point, but also low cutting resistant insert is one of our features.
And here we have an 11mm insert?
Yes, this is a AP 11mm insert. For this grade is for aluminum.
What is the largest face mill you offer?
For this program, we have maximum diameter 100. The smallest one, 12 diameter.
We hear a lot about face and taper, but what does that actually mean?
Actually, standard BT or conventional tools have always gap between machine flange and tool holder flange here. The gap for BT40 is like 2mm. But our contact system, dual contact system, means we eliminate this gap by exceeding machine spindle side, also by exceeding tool holder side. So there is no gap between. That means taper and flange are double contact at the same time.
Is this BT30 face and taper also?
Yes, exactly. This is our dual contact system, so we call Big Plus. This is the original taper and face contact systems in the world.
And I'm told this performs like a BT40.
Yes, exactly. The flange diameter here is 46mm. Actually, this is more than BT40 standard tools. So that like BT30 tools but perform like BT40. This is the advantage of Big Plus.
And I know a lot of your competitors now offer face and taper also. Why would I buy yours?
Actually, tolerance of Big Plus is very tight. So we found already some of our competitors producing dual face contact tools, but only contact flange side. No contact at taper. That means during application, this tool is always vibrated. This is one case. The other case is actually while using high-speed machining, the spindle is always keeping up. Spindle is expanded, the tools are going up, then stuck into the machine. So the customer cannot take these tools out from the machine spindle. This is actually a big risk for the customers. This may destroy the machine spindle. That's why customers need to buy our original Big Plus system.